happened?
What happened now? Stop! Give me melon!
Not this car.
You have been of bad news.
I saw him, his car got burnt.
You saw him? Come.
His car got burnt. Whose car got burnt? Whose car got burnt now?
Hey! Harbinger of bad news. Who sent you to spoil my morning? Eh?
Serious.
You're serious.
People are gathered at the express trying to see if they will put up the fire.
Hey. Wait, is my son inside the car?
I think.
Eh?
I think he is. Just like my dreams.
My son was inside the car.
Yes, just like my dreams.
Go and get water. Tell me soon or it will be faster. Get them. You'll be fine. Hurry up with the water, Ugo. You'll be fine. Just like it. Ugo! Lazy girl! Get the water! Ugo Chokwo! Now you'll be fine. Lazy girl. Ugo!
Fast now, I'm hungry.
Do you know you're not caring at all? You're not caring, man. Chop. After stressing me throughout today, you still expect me to walk as fast as you. Don't you know I'm a woman?
Look, for starters, I never asked you to follow me to work today. I know you followed me today because you felt another woman will steal my attention from you.
No, that's not true. I followed you because I want to learn the
Ha! Auntie, you can lie.
I'm not lying. I followed you because I want to learn the job now. Is that why that woman was looking at you like that?
Which woman again?
You think I did not see her? That woman that sells food stuff, the way she was just looking at you up and down, as if she wants to use eye and eat too. Before, as she was giving her contribution, she was still looking. Give contribution. She was just looking at
Oh my. They will never change. I didn't even notice the woman.
How will you notice it when you don't have eyes? I saw it. I saw everything. Broke like this.
Okay, wait. Was that why you followed me to work today? Just to monitor every female customers I have?
And to warn them too. Okay. Stay clear.
Okay. At this point, you will stop following me to work. Is that okay?
So that you can have all the time for them, Akwaya? Okay. From this point onwards, before you wake up, I don't dress up finish before you wake up. Me, want to try me? No problem. Why, what's funny? Why are you laughing?
You that I know. 12 p.m. you will still be on the bed, and before you wake up, I must have been coming back from work.
So now you think you know my
Of course, I know your weak point.
I know your weakness.
Which is?
Hey, I will starve you. I will starve you in all ramifications. I will starve you, girl. You want to play with fire? Okay.
Someone
Let's
cannot
play.
See.
Let's play.
Wait, now see, I can play
Get
with, I
on.
can joke and play with every other. But you see that one, I cannot play with
You
it.
will know.
Leave me alone. Yes, I said come back here. I said come back here. Papa, leave me alone. Leave me, come back here. I said come back here. You are not going anywhere.
This man now.
I said you are not going anywhere.
Papa, I will run you over.
You will run me over.
2 seconds now, run you over.
Run me over. Go
you
ahead and run me over.
If I take a bite,
run me over.
Why are you holding me now? Do you know who I am? Zagaban like me, you're holding me.
Will you shut up? You are not going anywhere.
Mama, want your husband.
Stop saying you will run your father.
I will run you over now.
No, you allow him if I run me over.
I will run you over
if
now.
You're a man and you have grown weight. Run your father over, Ifeanyi. Let me see if you walk out here alive.
Mama.
Run me over.
Mama, it's because of you.
I know.
You're not the favorite son. Because of you. If not because of you now, I would have run this man
If
over.
I run on your
Friend, give me my
Papa, I'm not giving you anything. What is it? By next day now, I'll be 30 years old. I've not achieved anything in my life. Time is not on my side. Let me sell one plot of land and make money. You're holding me hostage. Maka, give me one.
Time is not on your side.
Have Maka, this man.
Ifeanyi, am I the one to give you time?
Eh?
Am I the one to give you time, Ifeanyi?
Mama, is this
all the time I've been giving to you before, what did you do with it?
Are you my father, sir?
What did you do with your time,
Are you my
Ifeanyi?
father?
Yes.
You were,
How?
you were doing rubbish with your time.
Are you my father?
You were doing rubbish with your time.
Maka.
You need time. Ask God to give you time.
Papa, God has
Ask God to give you time,
This is the
Ifeanyi.
time. This is the time I want.
Telling you.
Let me go and sell land. You have so many land.
Ifeanyi, you cannot sell my land. Mr. Run me over. Ifeanyi, I say run me over. You are not going wait. You can run your father over. Ifeanyi, go ahead. Let me see if you need to see tomorrow morning. Don't move an inch with this document. Let me show you who I am.
But if my 2 chains cut, you pay for it.
Which if you don't talk much, I will cut this head now. I will cut this head eventually.
Oh!
Look at this your idiot twin brother. Look at my documents in his hand. You want to go and sell my land?
Hey!
Ifeanyi, why now?
Onyara. Eh? Madman. Who invited you here? Who invited you here?
Look, Ifeanyi, this is my family. And I need no invitation from you or from anyone. Look, I don't care the financial mess you got yourself into. You are not going to sell about that for any of it. Shut up! Me! What's up? If I was to see, if I was
It is 2 against 1.
It's 3 against 10. Ifeanyi, leave me.
I expect you to accept it. Since yesterday, you haven't eaten. You need to be strong. You need to be strong for us, for me, for our born child, for Mama, for yourself. If you continue like this, what do you want me to do? Me, I haven't even eaten his money, and it's beginning to affect my unborn child.
Do you want to kill the child?
It's not me, it's you that want to kill both of us. If you refuse to eat, how do you expect us to eat? What are family for?
So you are stabbing yourself in solidarity?
Yes.
Okay, it ends down. Go get chair, let's eat. Go on now, go get chair, let's eat.
You eat though,
I
start
will eat.
eating.
No, you get it. Go get the chair, let's eat. And we're eating together. I'm waiting. Fast, I will not touch this food till you come.
Ned, what is it? I'm going out. Why are you calling me?
I want to plead on behalf. I know you're very angry because of his wastefulness. Waste of time, waste of money, his abusive nature, his general, nature.
Ned.
But he's our son. We can't let him go like that. Eh? We can't allow our son to be useless. We need to do something,
Ned, I don't understand what you are saying. If you have anything to say, say it. I'm late from where I'm going.
I wanted to ask Imam to tell you to give him some money to start the businesses.
Ned, what you just say is a good idea. A wonderful idea. It's very good. But let me ask you, Ned. This money you are talking about, where is it going to come from? From my pocket or from yours?
I have no money in my pockets. You know now, man.
You don't have money in your pocket? Ned, then you should keep your mouth shut. You should shut your mouth up. Ned, you have been the problem of this young man. You are the problem he has. An old man that is old enough to be a father now, you are still pampering him. Look at his twin brother. He is doing well. You are here pampering an old man. Ned,
Man, I don't like the way you're talking. If you mean I'm pampering him, I'm not pampering him. Besides, you always bring in sentiments into this thing. Yes, you keep comparing him with his brother. And that's why he always feels like you don't care. Although, man, I know they are twins, but God built them differently. You can't keep doing that. Besides, he's just 30 years old. I'm not fair. You go to. I can get married at 40. It doesn't really matter.
Ned, look at you. When I say you are the problem of this boy, you will say, why will I say that? Just look at you defending him. He can marry when he is 40. Look at his twin brother. His twin brother is doing well. Nande has never asked me of anything. Rather, he's the one giving to me. Because you don't know that bringing out this money, that huge amount of money to give to somebody and he squander it, don't you know that it is painful? Or the idiot you don't know the pain one has to go through to get money. You are telling me he's your son, he's our son. Ned, Ned, put your hand inside your pocket and give money to you. Have I stopped you from doing anything with your money? I have never stopped you. Give your son money, Ned. I don't have to give him.
No problem. Refund me the 20,000 naira that I lent to you. So I can give it to him.
20,000?
Yes.
Is that what you want to give to him?
At least he can start with 20,000.
No problem. That is okay, Ned. Ned, let me go out. When I come in, I give you your 20,000. You give to your son. That's your 2 seats.
No, we're not done yet, sir. You can't. We're not done. We're still talking about your son.
No, it's your son we are talking about.
No. It's your son.
It's your son.
Short, he looks more like you. Yes.
He looks like me.
Yes.
No, Ned. He looks like that your elder brother.
And the two of you look alike.
Me and your elder brother?
Yes.
God forbid.
God
forbid me looking like your elder brother.
I wish I said that way long.
Ned, look for money I give to your son.
Give me the money. I don't want this boy to
Ned, this matter is
I don't want this boy to crush you, Nani. Protect. He will crush you. Yes.
He will crush me.
Small matter. He will crush you, Nani.
Okay, you are the one who sent him.
No.
You sent your son to kill me, Ned. Ned, I did not kill my father. Your son will not kill me.
He won't kill you, but he will give you what he wants.
I'm not giving him anything, Ned. I'm not giving him anything. Just give your son money.
I will crush you, Wago.
Nnamdi, or whatever they call you. In fact, thank God I met you here because I'm about to tell you what you want to hear. Hey, Nnamdi, let me just warn you now. I don't care whatever your name is. This should be the first and last you interfere in anything that concerns me and my father. What did I say? Today should be your first and last in this world. You interfere in any business that concerns me and my father. You have your business with your father. I have mine with my father. If you ever in your life, Makachuku Waba, talk to my father again about my business, you interfere again, I will show you that I am the real Jagaban in this village.
At least, you thank you for acknowledging the fact that he's your father. He's my father. Look, that land you took the document to sell, it's only owned by me. So whatever affects him, affects me.
Are you talking to Jagaban like that? I will give you fine. Listen, let me tell you. Listen, a wise man will think he's smart until he enters a foolish man's spot. Next time you try it again, I will show you the Jagaban color.
Stop this! Stop this! He's your brother! He's your twin brother for crying out loud. Stop this now! Are you trying to fight him or what? Stop it!
Who is this cockroach? Who is this cockroach talking? White witch! You know, Papa, are you mad? Are you stupid? Oh, because my brother is sleeping with you. Because he knocks you anytime, any day. You think now you are part of the Jagaban family. You are sick and mad. If you interfere in anything I say again now, I will just finish you now.
You are talking to my wife like this.
Who's your wife?
You are talking to my wife like this.
Who is your wife? When did you marry? When did you marry? Look at them, white arches. Next time you talk to my father again about my business, I will kill you. Who are you?
It's okay.
Weakling. Twin, weakling. You are a disgrace to twin. Come on, I'm talking to you. You are a disgrace to twin. You are a disgrace to twin. Are you mad? Who are you? Who are you calling? Who's mad? Who's mad? What's wrong with you? Who's mad? Who's mad? See? Get out of this one.
way coming. See, don't. Okay, I'm coming.
Don't call me. Hey.
I'll call you back.
Morning, I'm on your way to work already. I can see you're already on your way to work. Okay, oh my God. But won't you step back and...
Mama, I'll eat Mama put when I get the customers are waiting for me.
Oh, Bob, now Mama put. It now seems like your mother doesn't know how to cook. Meanwhile, my food is usually very tasty. Anyway, there's something I want to discuss with you. Remember that thing that happened yesterday?
What is it?
Oh, my God, your brother. You couldn't have his loafing around. You couldn't go see our party in the village. It has become an embarrassment to me. Another embarrassment.
Mama, does he want to join me in this business? Look, Mama, let me tell you, there's too much money in this business. If he join me, he will make a lot of money, and that will help him to stop roaming around the village.
Yes, you're good. There's a lot of money. After all, you come out, my friend, but your brother is that kind of person. You know him now. He won't like this kind of job. Your brother would love, to travel and make some money. Or people that want to come back. He's your brother. You should help.
Because it's dirty business, right?
No. I'm going to want dirty. It has nothing to do with dirty. When you know your brother, he would rather him are going to travel and come back. What?
See, Mama, let me tell you. If what you stopped me here is to tell me because of that document, or to tell Papa to release the document, I will not.
And wait now. You see, your brother has promised me that once he travels, he will make so much money, he will take care of everybody, including you. He will look
Mama, see, stop wasting your saliva. I will not discuss this with Papa. What is it? Mama, I'll see you when I come back, please.
After all, it's your brother. If he makes this money, he will buy you a car. When you want one, and in China cruise, Oh, no, if I may. Now, just you get up on those Cincinnati. You continue wearing. In short, can't I live going on to one?
I know the hair was sorry. You don't put that for standing? Yes. Face up. Your man. Look at really look me. Run off him. You get my jobs in your mind. You mad? How be you now? You get my good time. This guy go jobs in your mind. Come on, you mad? What are you now? What you get? Boss. I'm up. Release the height. I don't want you to say. Come on, release the height. Release the height. Come on. Lie down.
No, man,
You see that?
I've done nothing to you.
Who asked you to talk? Vision? Huh? No, you want to talk now? No, you don't need to speak. Come here. No, I'm so good, man. I want you. Who's away? Come on, get down. What's your problem? Can I follow you? So now you want save and Messiah? Huh? This guy don't get anything. Come on. Don't get anything. See, the Jones. Come on, don't get anything. Get here. 15 naira. Boss. Start. Comforter. Come on. Hey, boss.
This kind of thing like this now.
You buy your
Like that, yes.
comforter. Boss.
I'm so fine.
Nah, bad.
Fine.
I'm gonna go. Fine.
Like at the hottest in this village now.
I'm not the hottest.
You see that girl? I heard that her mother is a chronic adulterer, which was the reason why they chased them from their village. And do you know what again? Her mother was busy jumping from one man's house to another. Hey.
Neso, your mouth to the road. How did you come to know all these things I'm saying now?
Hey.
But wait, girls. This thing, I think this thing you are saying is truth. Because the way she carry herself in this village, me, I don't understand.
Asine, you were asking how I got to know about the information.
She's the most beautiful. Wait. What marvels me most is the way she carry herself as if she's everything in this village.
Now wow, Amara, you are asking me how I got to know about the information. Have you forgotten who Chioma is in this village? Have you forgotten? No information passed me by. You should know that.
What marvels?
Wait, this girl na radio without battery. The way they take here information, the thing them have
no.
Wait, Cheru, are you on my side or you are against me? Which one are you?
Wait. The way this girl carry herself in this village, as if she's everything. Marvels me.
Stay her. Just stay her.
See, girls,
Come, let's go now.
See, girls, this thing you are saying is just the fact. The way she carry herself as if she's the most beautiful.
Now you are talking.
She'll be walking as if her father is
okay, let's
Dangote.
go.
Just take a good look at her. I hate her so much. I hate that fine person. I hate her.
Boss, I'm not dealing with you.
Boss, I have temper here with you.
What's up, Gini?
Boss, I have temper here.
Chop, guy off camera, which one be say you get 10K for here? I know they like this kind of parole. Shake the wine us. All the hustle don't hustle, the temps in a temper. I know they like that thing.
What do you come the ginger me like say I don't go anymore or gain money where you come the ginger me like?
No be TK, I don't know you. Guy, na street with them. I know they play us wrong thing for here. I know they like this kind of parole.
Bobby, I know they see your face. Make I no wrong enter you. I know they see your face. Why you gonna be like say you get any money why I don't go for it?
I mean you want to enter.
Oh, Bobby, I go enter you.
TK, I mean you want to enter. Me. Olugo. I'll get your come walk with me.
Fame. I said, Philmond, so what you gonna bring this one now? No, tell me what you gonna bring this one. I don't want to just a Caprian. Onto which level now? No, clear me onto which level. See. One day well, bello. If bello. If I dare not the Caprian, the feel me.
Baba. You don't carry
Baba, you are why man I go smooth risky up
Boss.
Senior man. I deal with you I deal with you 100.
Mother. Who can
Now why are you on my way?
Bring her here now. In the waste time.
Our boss wants to see you in that our holy paradise. Why you think I am?
I have told you before, I am not interested in seeing your so-called boss. So leave me.
Come back here, Joe. Clean that dirty man doing the use the yarn. What did they? You talk to your man, say you don't want to see our boss. No, it's no man they call you, say you don't want to see her. Yeah?
I am not interested. Stop harassing me. I don't like this. Stop harassing me.
Don't like what? Listen. Ina so you go na so I can go you back. Come like you got man go to the yard here. You want your good body for us. Chairman and you want to see. Now I holy paradise with that.
Or what? Or what?
I'm going to see you one month again now. Come on, why you like that? Why you this wicked?
Why? What have we done to you people in this village? Why are you this wicked? What have I done to you to deserve this?
I drop too much because Sorum Kai by India. Boss, in your mother, his wish is my command.
What have I done to you to deserve this?
Yeah.
That
I don't hear what.
that means
All this is not fancy.
here don't block. Here don't block.
What have I done to you people in this village?
Come back here,
Leave me
Joe.
alone. See how you broke my color. See how you broke. What have I done to you people in this village? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You have this from my color.
Get the boss.
Leave me alone.
So that's it.
My sister. Cake one. Where are you going to?
If I also know.
Dara.
Hey, good. Like seriously, what is this with you two?
My dear, he's the one you should be asking, not me.
Hey, like I am asking this question because very soon you'll be getting married to his twin brother. Is this how you two will live in the same house?
Gloria, I greeted him. He did not answer. It's not like I'm making trouble with him or anything. He's the one bearing the grudges, not me.
So this is how you guys will be living? Is that what you're trying to tell me?
What do you want me to do? At least it's his brother I'm getting married to, not him. So as long as I don't get in his way at all, there's nothing to worry about.
See, you know you're my friend and I have to tell you the truth. There is a whole lot to be worried about. There is a whole lot to be worried about.
Why?
Because I don't like the look on his face. This guy has this devilish look that makes me feel very uncomfortable anytime I see him.
looking face now. You're the one looking at his face. Me, I be like person where they look at your face. Mbao, I know they look in face. Let him carry his devilish face and go.
Oh, wow.
God of vengeance, come and vindicate me. God of victory.
What is it? It's Abraham, his friend. was Yabura. When I refused, they broke my gallon. What have we done wrong? When will this humiliation stop? It's okay. Ibube is okay. Oh, the keys. It's okay. Don't worry, we'll buy another gallon. Oh? For them to break again? Why do I always doing all this? What have we done to them? What do you want me to do? What do you want us to do? We have reported to the elders. They are even afraid of Babylon and his gang of molesters. The police don't want to wade into the matter. Onamuzi, don't worry, we'll buy another gallon. Don't worry, one day our God will fight for us. Inugo, don't worry. Mama, you came back early. What about the properties? Hey! Your father's brothers denied me access to those properties. Says the villagers confiscated the properties. Wait, how could the villagers do a thing like this? The villagers did nothing. What the hell, man? How did you know, Mama? I met Adak on my way back to this place. So she told me it was her father's brothers that sold those properties. Hey! Mama, handle my properties. Why are they doing all these things? What have we done to them? Mama, no, this is not fair now. This is not fair now. Hey, God. Hi. It's okay. Let's go. Not to worry. Our God will fight for us. Let's go. Let's go inside. Don't worry. Our God will fight for us. Why are they treating us like this, Mama? Why? Why?
My love for you is so please, just manage this one. I will promise you I'll make it up to you.
You should be ashamed of yourself. A grown man like you. This is all you could give to a girl you say you love with your whole heart. Eh, fine. What kind of wicked love is this? Eh?
So, see, I'm trying. Honestly, I'm really trying. But see, if I make money, if I make more money, I will bring them to you now. I promise you, in less than no time, I will confuse you with money.
What's it here?
My love, please, just accept this one. I promise you, I will make more money. See, in no time, I will bring more money for you. A bigger one. Just take this one, please.
Ifan, you are not understanding. Look at my skin. Look at my face. Money that is making this skin and my face to grow. Without money, you will not be here kneeling down. So I'm not understanding all these things you are saying. I need money. I need it.
Okay, fine. I'll make it up to you. I'll make it up.
What's that? Where are you going? So you want to go back with me? For what? As what? At least this one will serve me for my WhatsApp and Instagram. You can go. No, I don't understand.
I love you. I promise you I'll bring something for you here.
These things you are doing will make me go outside and look at that place.
No, yes. No. Don't even say that. No, Taba. Please. Anybody that go close to you, No, please. My love, don't
do something. I'm tired with all this 1 naira you are giving me. I'm tired.
I'll make money. Make money for you alone. Because don't meet any man, don't meet any man, don't even see any man. Hey, Obi, the only woman that gladdens my heart. Hey, my sugar. Okay, my love, see, let me just peck you before I go, please. With my pink lips.
Peck? With this one cover with this. Okay, bed shift, you're distracting me.
Give me the money, oh. Give me the money, else I will burn this house down now. I ain't Jagabano.
Ifeanyi, calm down. Burn which house down?
Mama, talk to your
No, listen, if you burn this house, where do we stay?
Fine. If you don't want me to burn this house down, talk to your husband here. Talk to him. Let him give me the money now. Why is he acting selfish and stingy? I will show my Jagaban character. I will not show my Jagaban character now. Papa, give me money, Biko.
Go ahead and burn down the house. Just raise the house down so that we see if the money will come out from the ashes. Go ahead and burn the house.
Nah, Ifeanyi, calm down now. Your father hasn't said he won't give you the money.
I did not say I will give him money. I didn't say that.
Oh, Mama, I think Kifugo here now. Or Kifugo now. This man.
Nah, calm down. You're making matters worse. Instead of trying to calm him down, and I call that you didn't say you.
Ned, this matter is already worse. I keep telling you, stop treating this old man with his globe. Stop treating him with his. You are spoiling him. And I can't be here sitting down here to listen to all this rubbish.
I am the favorite son.
Ifeanyi.
I'm the favorite son.
Ifeanyi, listen, I'm going to the house. It's an opportunity for you now to burn the house. I will be inside, so you burn me at the house. And come and pick your money from there. Rubbish.
You're not going anywhere, Papa.
My friend, will you get out of the road for me? What's wrong with you? Burn. I'm going inside. Burn the house down. Burn us down. So that you get the money, your money.
You're lucky, You're lucky. It's because of Mama. It's because of Mama. Mama, it's because of you. What kind of man is this one now?
Can you keep quiet for once? Oginedo, calm down. I'll talk to your father.
Talk to him.
He will give you the money.
Talk to him. Other men are out there treating their son well because I'm the favorite son. That's why he's being jealous. Because he wasn't the favorite son when during his father's. In fact, this man. Mama, it's because of you. Next time, if he tries this nonsense, I will burn down this house and rent a house for you to stay in. Old man.
With which money?
Later, Joe.
Mama.
Okay,
Mama, what is it again? I started hearing voices from afar.
Is it not your brother and your father? They want to kill me, but they will not succeed. Biko, let me go and check what I have on fire.
Listen to this. Yes, my dear. My dear, the security situation in this country is getting out of hand.
I believe the government knows what to do if they're serious about it.
Well, you're right, my son. You're right. And by the way, how was work today?
But it was fine, no. Hey, Papa, I want to discuss something with you.
Oh, yes, no problem. What is it?
It was about Ifeanyi.
What is all this? What about Ifeanyi again? Why is Ifeanyi the only song we sing in this house? Why Ifeanyi all the time? What is all this?
Papa, you know Ifeanyi will not stop until he gets what he wants.
Nandi, I am ready for Ifeanyi's trouble this time around. I'm ready for Ifeanyi's trouble. Anyhow he wants it, I will give it to him. I don't want to hear anything about him. We like him myself, Ifeanyi. I've spent so much on him, and there's nothing to show for it. What is all this? I can't give myself an unrepentant son. Whatever he wants this time around, I will give it to him.
But Papa, if he says he wants the money to travel abroad, why don't you give him the money?
My son, you know I'm a pensioner. And my pension has not been paid. I don't have money to give him. Where will I get the money?
Okay, Papa, I have a suggestion.
You have a suggestion? As long as it has nothing to do with selling any of my lands, I will listen. What? Are you serious? Do you know how risky that is? Well, if that is what you want, there's no problem. I will think about it.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone now, because leave me. Abmaka, what is it? Ogini.
Okay, I am so sorry about this whole thing. Just forgive me.
Sorry for yourself. Sorry for yourself. Let me even ask you, Namdi. What do you take me for? What do you take me for? Eh?
How can you be asking such a question? You know who you are to me. You are my woman.
Of course, I know. How can I forget that I'm a side chick? How can I how can you forget you're a side chick?
How can you be a side chick to me? You're my woman and I love you. You know that already now.
You love me. You love me and you go about taking critical decisions without even consulting me. What kind of love is that?
Baby, see, it is yet to be decided. I just told my father about it.
Oh, Namdi, what are you even saying? Just hear what you're saying. You told your father about it and you now decided to tell me just to fulfill all righteousness. When in the actual sense, you have already decided on what to do, you're not coming to tell me. What do you even take me for? A fool?
No, baby. How can you call yourself a fool? Look, if you call yourself a fool, what does that make me? A fool's lover? Okay, babe. I am so sorry. I will not do it as long as you did not approve it. Whatever you say, I will do.
Namdi, it's already too late. Because you and your family, you have already decided on what to do. You now want me to advise you against doing what you guys have decided to do so that they will see me as a bad person. Akwaya? So that they will say I'm bad influence to you, Namdi.
No.
Because don't involve me, please. You should know me better. I beg, I don't want to involve myself.
No, baby. Please now, please.
Into your sanctuary, we've come to adore you, Lord. 1, 2, 3, go. Into your sanctuary, we've come to adore you, Lord. Into your sanctuary, we've come to adore you, Lord. In adoration and praise, we glorify your we've come to adore you, Lord. Into your sanctuary, we've come to adore you, Lord. Into your sanctuary, we've come to adore you, Lord. Into your sanctuary, we've come to adore you, Lord. In adoration and praise, glorify your holy name. Oh, glory, we've come to adore you, Lord. Ifeoma, why are you late?
I'm sorry, I had things to do.
Something better than your faith as a Christian. See, this is one of your spiritual obligations as a Christian, and you're supposed to take it serious. Eh?
Uju, I already said I'm sorry. I had things to do. Is that not enough excuse for you?
If any of us are late, I don't think you met anybody. And besides, you're not the only one getting married.
Tell how.
Okay. I'm sorry. Obiko uneweliwe. I'm sorry.
Well, your apology should reflect in money, and the fine for lateness is 500 naira.
Hey, I thought it was 200 naira. How come it's 500?
Rules have changed.
No, please, that's so unfair.
If you don't pay the 500 naira, you kindly report yourself to the very father. Is that what you want?
Wait, I'm not understanding something. Do you have personal beef with her? What is your problem? Eh?
It's okay, fine. I'll pay the fine. 500 naira kwaya. I will pay. I'm a kwaya. It's okay, and I'll try not to come late again. It's fine. Let's continue, please.
Please, to avoid all this drama, pay it. You can even make it double, sir, because I see that money is a problem. I beg.
Let's continue. I don't blame you. Better, because next time it's 1,000 there. I don't care. Please, let's continue for where you stop. Leave this mad woman. Oh yeah. Into your sanctuary, we've come to adore you, Lord.
Into your sanctuary, we've come to adore you, Lord. Mama, wait now. Wait what? Wait what? Why you working like this? You see that girl? See that girl? What's her name? What's her name? What they call it? Or what? Why is she always speaking on me? Every slightest excuse she has, she'll just speak on me. What did I do to her? See how she increased the lateness fee because I'm involved. Because if Oma came late now, she has increased the lateness fee. What's her problem?
The problem is that I don't even understand this code war between the both of you.
What war?
What? Is there something you're not telling me? Is there something? Okay, let me ask. Did you call her boyfriend?
Which boyfriend? Does she have a boyfriend? Does she have a Budasha boyfriend?
And I'm wondering why she doesn't like you. Why she hates you this much?
Me, Chef, I don't like her. Yes, I hate her too. That makes
the two of you.
Yes. What's this now? Every time you will be picking on me for what?
But wait. Let me even ask you. Why did you come late?
Why won't I come late?
Why did you come late? Wait, I think I can guess. You were with Nnamdi.
I was with Nnamdi now. Why would I go and see him now?
Well, I need a tire. Like, you guys don't get tired of each other or what?
Oh, please. But you see that Uju? Next time she try and intimidate me. No, she cannot intimidate again. No. Next time she try and intimidate him. When I get Tigo, no problem.
I'll fight her with you. We'll beat her together.
Okay, we'll beat her together.
So girls, before the drummers will come here, let's do a little bit of rehearsal, so that we'll be able to mark the winner of this Ofela festival. I have one new step, but if any of you have any step, you can add to it, So this step I want you girls to do is, you just have to do. So if any of you have any step, just come and introduce it. That's nice. Who else?
Okay, let me try.
But the rest is not shaking very well.
Shake it, whiny.
It's okay, guys. It's not shaking well. How about this one?
Let me show you something,
Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice.
More than you girls. What about this?
Look who is coming.
Good day. What are you doing here?
Please, I want to join your dance group. I can dance very well. Let me show you.
Really?
You are not one of us, okay? You can't be part of us.
Yes. Please, hold on, girls. Is this not the same girl that was chased out of their village because the mother committed adultery?
Yes,
she's the one.
Yes.
You can't be part of us now. It's not possible. Please, you can't be part of us. Just go.
What you heard about us is not true. We are actually God-fearing people.
God-fearing people indeed.
Please, it's okay, girls. See, my dear, the truth is that you cannot be part of us. We have been selected carefully to be the girls to dance for this Ufala festival. You can't be part of us. Don't come and contaminate us with your fornication spirit here.
Leave us alone. You are not part of us. You are
No, I don't want to.
Leave. You don't want to go. Leave. Please excuse us. Look at my mood now.
Ebube, please leave us.
Please, let me just join.
We were in the middle of a rehearsal when you walked in. Just go.
Leave us alone now. Leave us alone.
You don't belong here for being. Just want to spoil this our rehearsal.
She will be part of us.
Excuse me. Walking around this place you're standing. People want to contaminate. Nonsense.
Imagine.
Let's just leave her. Consider what we do.
She's a temptation.
Please, can you just dance?
Wait, I was actually trying to show you guys something. Okay?
No, I don't like this one. You have to say my step.
How are you playing?
It's very interesting.
Okay. Alida, please teach us more.
When you get that done.
Wait.
Alright, thank you. Hi. How are you?
I've seen you before. You're not from this village.
Is that a crime?
No, it's not a crime. We love strangers.
It's unfortunate for us that you people don't like our kind of strangers.
Wait, see, I don't know if someone has said something very terrible to you. Are you okay?
Like I said, I don't want to talk about it.
Hello?
Stop following me.
Okay, I'll stop, but at least can I know your name? My name is Chiboy.
What is this?
Mama, do you like your room? I'm not using that for that side though. Nothing there though.
You no get water inside? You check the abuta?
Nothing there though. The girl got
Keep my paper for me now. What have I done to people in this village?
Benya. By inside go to like go kaiwa.
Eh?
Fast.
At the count of 3, bani me with like go kaiwa. Same air.
Hey.
Mama? Okay.
I don't know. These people they get together.
You people have come again. Why are you doing this? Are we the only strangers living in your midst?
Mother, make you go inside, make you pay our money. We are here to collect our levy.
What levy? What? I don't.
Water levy. Have I answered you? Water levy. So they didn't tell you in this village, say, now we in charge of the stream.
I hear you.
Same air. So go in and get my money.
See, I have never been to a place where you have to pay to get water. What kind of nonsense is this?
You ne cook, na village champion you be.
I'm go.
Even if you never see, you never hear or say positive, people they pay for even the one where they forgot themselves. Chocolates of Bohu.
But that is different.
Hey. Mabusu. Ena so yibo. Ena so mo yibo. Benya. But if I can so. But let me tell you, the next time I will come to this compound, if you didn't bring my money, pack this chair and come, let's go out of here. Enough, voila.
Hey!
What is up if you dada? Pack the whole chair. Then go.
What have we done to you?
Pack the whole chair, Mugu Butocha, I want you so.
Give us that money. Pack everything, we go.
Mama,
go your mother. I'm gonna go. Listen. If I come back here, you didn't get my money. Very sweet.
Papa, you called me. Now that all of you are here, let me tell you why I called you all. Some time ago, Ifani here started making trouble, demanding for money. Not minding that all the money I have given to him, he has not showed, I don't know how to say it, has not done anything with it, even to account for them. Now he has come again, asking for more money. Well, I called you people here to be witness today, because to please this man, I had to sell one of our lands in a very strategic position for a ridiculous sum of amount of money, just to see that Ifeanyi, the man that has been working for us, has not done anything with it, even to account for them. Now he has come again, asking for more money. Well, I called you people here to be witness today, because to please this man, I had to sell one of our lands in a very strategic position for a ridiculous sum of amount of money, just to see that Ifeanyi,
that if any trouble will end in this house.